Today's tutorial is a leaf pattern nail art called Leafy Elegance. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying nude pink medium almond nail tips. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel on thumb. If you meet spill gel issues, we suggest you to use a cuticle stick to remove it on cuticles. We have prepared a cuticle stick in the kit. It could help you fix spill gel issues. Apply this color gel on index finger and little finger as well. Now cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Let's do the painting. Leave some color gel on a clean, empty plate. We need a liner brush to do the painting. Repeat the previous step and paint on the ring finger, then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.